Hi, I'm Madison from the Tomorrow Marketing Team, and today we're at AMS 2026 in Houston. We're going to be speaking to some of our space and sensors team as well as our weather scientists today. Hope you enjoy.
Hi, I'm Michael Huguet. I've been at Tomorrow I/O for the last 8 years. I started here as an operational meteorologist, and I'm working as the weather science operations manager now. I think most people do realize how weather affects their everyday actions, whether it's just going to the park or going to the mall, like what their everyday decisions are. However, there's a whole logistical network that allows you to live your everyday life that is greatly impacted by the weather that you don't even think about. Like you have a next day delivery, and how's that going to be impacted by a northerly wind that's impacting a rail line? We're so interconnected and everything's moving so quickly now that a slight weather interruption can cause a whole ripple of logistical problems down the line. It allows organizations to manage expectations, whether it be that shipping line that might be interrupted by an incoming winter storm, or and maybe a next day delivery just isn't possible. So knowing that ahead of time allows them to manage the expectations of their customers and produce better outcomes both for the people shipping the product and for the customer receiving the product. As an operational forecaster, I'm really excited about the ability for AI to quickly produce detailed weather information at small scale repetitively. What we're doing now with our focus model is producing a new forecast, a new mesoscale forecast, a new local scale forecast every 15 minutes. And we can do that in the US, where we've always had great weather data, but we're deploying it to more and more locations internationally. And these places have never seen model data as detailed or as hyperlocal as what we're seeing or what we're able to produce with our AI modeling architecture. At Tomorrow I/O, everything moves so quickly. We're throwing new satellites into space every few months. We're producing a new weather model every few weeks, deploying a new AI model in Southeast Asia. We deployed this data over the course of a few weeks, and the technology advances so quickly that the work you're doing today might be different from next week. It might be different from next month, and it will definitely be different from 6 months from now. So the ability to learn quickly and react quickly and interact with your coworkers and your employees, or your coworkers and your customers, is really valuable. I've never really had this kind of experience in my career.